Supposed to be getting 24 inches. Stuff on the news talking about this. The big nor'easter. I'm not going to open the window. So, if you don't know what I'm talking about, on the news, they're talking about the nor'easter coming. The nor'easter blizzard. They're also talking about the blizzard of '78. I don't know much about that except it was a really bad blizzard. I don't like blizzards myself. I don't even like the snow. Winter is my least favorite season. I don't like winter except for Christmas. That's the only exception. But other than that, no, I'm not. I know a lot of kids might like winter because that's where you get to make snowmen, snow castles, snowball fights, snow angels. No, this is the face of a snow hater. I have to be the one that shovels off the sidewalks and the driveways. No, it's... So, yeah. But they're talking about whiteout conditions, and blackouts. All sorts of things. That's why my mom and I went out... sorry, I'm trying to get better grammar. Yeah, my mom and I didn't want to say me and my mom. No, it's not good grammar. My mom and I went out shopping today. We got soda, we got milk, we got chips, we got all sorts of stuff because this is going to be a really big blizzard. I don't like blizzards. Now, as I said, I'm not a snow fan. But at least I get no school tomorrow, which is a Friday, and that makes it better of a Friday because, well, when you have no school, you get to watch movies. Like, also when that's why I get to watch these movies. I got these at the store today. Well, I got this, yesterday, Paranormal Activity 4, but I got Paranormal Activity 4 and Valentine's Day to watch. That's pretty cool. So, but yeah, I am not a snow fan. I don't like blizzards that much. But if you don't like snow, and you don't like blizzards, be prepared for 24 inches of snow. 2 feet, that is. 2 feet. That's like about, from here. Oh, I'm not, yeah, about that big. That big. That's like right there. That's half 2 feet. That's 2 feet. Believe it? Can you believe it? I cannot. No, I can wait for this blizzard to come because I'm super late. I am not gonna take this. I hate snow. And if you hate snow, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, be sure to smash that like button, showing that you're on my side. But if you love snow, go, then dislike the video, I guess, or like it. I don't care. Just do something, and be sure to subscribe for more, so you can be updated with the video for how this is gonna work out for me, because I have never really seen a blizzard. I've never really seen a snow day with 24 inches. But okay, I gotta sit down. I'm walking around too much. Okay, I'm gonna go right now. I'm going to do whatever. I gotta get prepared for this. Gotta get ready. You guys ready? No, really. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? I know I am. Almost. I gotta still get prepared. But I am ready. Well, I know I said I hate snow, and I do hate it, but with everything prepared, I am ready. So bring it on, Blizzard of 13. Bring it on. I'm gonna go right now before this gets out of hand. Okay? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to keep updated with videos like this, or how this is working out for me. As I said, okay? Peace off. Don't put the soda in the popcorn when you're in a. Next time you try to survive blizzard like this, don't put the soda in the popcorn. You're gonna need it.